Hi everyone, welcome to Drive with Care. In this short video I'm going to take a trip off the dual carriageway from the Sandwich bypass down into Ramsgate and end up at the Ramsgate harbour. So a relatively short video, but one that will present quite a few hazards. So I'll speak it as I see it so that you get my running commentary. We're on the dual carriageway. It's a 50-mile-an-hour dual carriageway. I don't understand why, but the lane splits ahead and I want to head to Ramsgate, so I need to get in the right-hand lane. So I shall indicate out, check for blind spots. Always check for blind spots. Could be a motorcyclist coming, although I was watching in the rear view mirror and didn't see any. So the sign tells me there are two lanes up ahead for Ramsgate and the left-hand lane goes off to Margate. So we'll stay in this lane, filter into the left-hand side of this lane. Lights are changing, presenting a hazard. Now don't forget, just because the road you're travelling on and going towards is your destination, really the car in front dictates your journey, because you can only go as far as he can go. Lights are red. Sorry, lights are green. I'm not colourblind, I promise you. Changing just as I got on the lights. So we don't stop, do we? The A299, Ramsgate, is 2 miles away. So it could be quite a short video. Lovely wide roads, that's for sure. Entering the 40 zone. We have a roundabout ahead and I want to go straight across, so I will not indicate on. What will I do, people? I will indicate off the roundabout, and this will let the people behind me know where I'm going, and if there's anybody in front waiting to enter the roundabout, they'll know that I'm coming off. Because it's not a guessing game, you know. There are so many people that once they're driving, they're in a league of their own, usually the bottom tier league, because they're oblivious to anybody else. We have a responsibility and a duty of care, not only for our own safety, but everybody else's on the road that we share with. So round the roundabout, coming off on the next exit, so indicate off, and up this lovely tree-lined avenue. Not many hazards, few cars on my side of the road, so I'm going to have to drive out. I see no pedestrians, no cyclists, just plenty of kind of parked cars, so just be wary that somebody might be trying to edge out. Someone might be reversing out, which you're not allowed to do. You must never reverse out onto a main road. People do it, of course, because they drive forward in and then can't turn around. Car coming out of junction. Still a 40 zone. Man with dog, will he stop? Yes, he will. He's actually in the middle of the road. Had I wanted to turn, he would have been an obstruction. Jogger. Roundabout ahead, I want to go right, so I will indicate right, because it's the third exit. So start my indicating now. I see a pedestrian. Will she wait for me? She ought to, and she has. Nothing to my right, so round we go. Don't forget, people, indicate off the roundabout. Lets everybody know what we're doing. Quite a few hazards here. Cars parked on both sides. My journey is dictated by the coach now. So if he stops, we all stop. Blind bend. Seems clear enough. Good old Ramsgate. Ooh, funky old caravan. I wonder if someone's living in that. Right, the coach is turning right, he's going to reverse. So he's pulled out into the road in order to reverse. He did give us a wave, so if that was me driving the coach, that's what I would need to do. So, no qualms from me. Nice bit of reversing as well. Got some kids on the road. Make sure one isn't playing games and pushes the other one. Round the tight bend. Never assume the road is clear ahead until you can see. I've got the marina on my right. What I'll do is pull around the roundabout and park up there to conclude the video. But we drive down this old Victorian, what would it be, esplanade, is that what you call it? And all the lovely houses in front. It's lovely lit up. Double yellows on the left, so you kind of hope nobody's going to be parked. Mini roundabout, and I say mini because it's painted on the road, but it looks quite large to me. Got pedestrian wandering across. Car on my right, coming out of the marina. I shall turn into the marina, indicate to everybody so they all know what I'm doing. And how about that? The marina. Isn't that pretty? Look at all those boats. That's it. Bypass from Sandwich to Ramsgate Marina. Quite a few hazards, but nothing that we couldn't handle, right? So I shall say thanks for watching, bearing with, and I will see you in another Drive with Care video. Bye for now.